Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by unlocking the Vivo and opening settings. Once done, go straight to security and privacy or safety features depending on your model. You need your passcode or fingerprint to change emergency options, so make sure those are ready. Tap the emergency or SOS entry. This begins the configuration. Don't skip granting any prompts. The phone often asks for permission to access contacts and location, which the emergency function needs to work correctly in case of a real call. Once inside emergency SOS settings, you'll choose the core behavior, enable auto call or manual SOS. You can pick which contacts receive alerts and whether the phone calls an emergency number. Select each contact from your list and confirm. Turn on send location and share live location if available. This helps responders. Configure the activation method, power button presses or long press. Test the trigger once with a non-emergency contact. You finish by saving settings and performing a brief test to ensure contacts get the alert and that location is attached. Make sure the test is safe and consensual. If SMS or calls fail, revisit app permissions for messages and phone and enable location access. Once done, restart the phone to apply changes. If problems persist after a restart, check for system updates and contact Vivo support. Often an update or a permission reset resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.